Today I'm going to show you how to take a simple black and white drawing into Illustrator and turn it into a vector. Here I have an image that I've downloaded from a public domain image website, and I have it open in Photoshop first because I'm just going to do a few things to clean it up. So I have my adjustments here in Photoshop, which you can get here in Window Adjustments. And first what I'm going to do, I'm going to put black and white, and I'm just going to raise up this yellow because the original image is a little yellow, so this is going to help make it black and white. And then I'm also going to add the levels. So I'm going to drag this way and drag this way. Then I'm going to select the background, make sure my colors are at black and white over here. And I'm just going to, with the eraser tool, I have the wrong brush, on a hard brush. I'm just going to erase some of the things here I don't want. And for this tutorial, I'm going to erase the stuff in the middle too, just to make it simple. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this. Then I'm going to come over here into Illustrator. I'm going to open a new canvas. And then I'm just going to drag in this Photoshop file that I made. Now what we're going to use is this image trace. If you don't have that open, you'll find it here, Window, Image Trace. And this is just black and white, so I'm going to do black and white, and with the threshold here, you can raise this up and down to make it more or less black and white. I'm just going to go ahead with what I have there. I'm going to say Trace, and then I'm going to come up here to Object, Image Trace, Expand. And now it has turned my image from Photoshop into a vector. I also like to come over here. I'm going to go ahead and ungroup that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and delete all these extra white parts. So now I just have my black shape. Another thing that I like to do is use these tools. You can find them over here. And I've just gone ahead and dragged them out that way. And they've attached there. There we go. Okay, so the one we're going to use here is this Smooth tool. So I'm going to come in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to select this and then my Smooth tool. And I can just go around here and easily smooth out any rough edges. And also, if I want to get rid of some of these black specks, I'm going to come over here to the Blob brush tool, and I'm just going to paint over them. And that will color those in. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more Illustrator tutorials, please click the thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.